It's time to swap boredom with a great movie suggestion. I'm Captain Starlight and welcome to another kids movie review. After accidentally teaching the Javan birds how to steal his village's food supply, Ollie isn't the most popular puku in his pack.
Saying that the creatures of this valley don't get along is a bit of an understatement.
Hey!
Big dumb sack of feathers, come and get me, huh?
Oh!
Come on!
Ah! Watch it!
Whoa! Whoa!
Watch out!
But then things swap.
Ah! This isn't my body! Get these feathers off of me!
Ah! Where are my beautiful feathers? Where are my beautiful wings?
I'm stuck in here! Somebody help!
What did you do? You nutcake!
Now that Ollie and Ivy have swapped species, they're forced to see things from each other's point of view.
Let's find another one of those pods.
I've seen them by the great waterfall. Let's go.
Come on, hurry!
I don't fly. What am I supposed to do, huh? I'm supposed to just raise my wings and all that. Oh!
And now they must team up across a divided valley to return themselves to their original forms. But it's not going to be easy.
Pretty much everything in the valley wants to eat me.
I think we can take them.
Are you nuts?
We're gonna die!
Trust me, Ollie! Flap, Ollie!
And the only way to save the valley is to learn that
We're stronger together.
this film is great fun, with a story about self-discovery that reminded us of movies like Bug's Life and Finding Nemo. It's got an all-star cast of voice actors, the animation is great, and it's got some very funny comedy moments.
I'm gonna distract them.
How are you going to distract the wolves?
I'm gonna be their lunch.
I call dibs on the head.
Parents, this film is entertaining for the whole family. However, there are some slightly scary scenes in it, so we recommend watching along with your very little animals. Fun facts: Skydance Animation has brought us films like Luck and Spellbound, but Swapped is their first movie to have 0 human characters in it. And did you know that the actors in this movie were only told about the film's big twist halfway through making the movie? What's the twist? Sorry, we have a strict no spoilers policy. If you're a fan of films like Wild Robot or Elemental, you'll love this movie. Our Captain Starlight rocket rating gives it a swaptomistic 5 out of 5. Before you check it out, remember to like and subscribe for more of our great content. I've been Captain Starlight, and this has been another Kids Movie Review.